Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I went to stay at Tokyo's train hostel, which was really cool. And I went to stay with my aunt and my cousin and my mum, so it was a bit of a girls' night. What was really cool about this hostel is that they took actual parts from an actual train, which was known as the Hokutosei, which ran between Tokyo and Sapporo, and it was Japan's first luxury train, which started in 1988 and was finally discontinued in 2015. So the interior was super cool. Check it out. We're having a girls' night and everyone's wasted. Yes. So you're given a locker where you can put your valuables and a key. Lots of snoring people, but it's a good thing that they give us these earplugs. So many snoring people. Okay, arigato. So this is a toilet cubicle door. It says cubicle 3. The push-pull mechanisms here. Better get my earplugs ready. So the door looks nicey, and you get a basket for your clothes, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, and it's all very cool. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of it. A few things about it. It was really good for budget travelers. It was 2,000 yen normally, or around that during weekdays, which is about $18 US dollars. And about 3,000 Japanese yen on the weekends, which is about 27 US dollars on weekends, so it's really good for budget travel. It's mixed genders in the dorms, so if you're traveling together that might be fun for big groups and such. However, if it's a bit of a mission to go and have to change in the bathroom, even though they do provide curtains and things like that. So that's just something to be wary of. Which is it? Wary of? Whatever.
Wary.
Thank you. There's people snoring as well, so if that bothers you, then this place is not for you, although they do provide free earplugs. There's free Wi-Fi throughout, which is also a very modern touch. What was also surprising was that you have to make your bed yourself, so they do give you fresh bedding, but you also have to peel it off in the morning and put them in the bins provided. So it's all kind of a do-it-yourself vibe, which is kind of cool, but it's not for everybody. What's cool about it is definitely the interior. You really do feel like you're staying on a train. So I'd recommend it if you're just looking for something new or just something fun or just budget travel or in a big group. It's super fun. And what's also really good is the location. It was Bakurocho Station, which is one stop locally from Tokyo Station, so that's really handy. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this. I will talk to you on the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!